Hi friends, hope you're doing well. I hope you all are fantastic. And this video is regarding the Windows 11 performance, and we will solve the lagging and slowness issue in this video. So one application I have found and I need to share with you guys, RAMMap. This application is very important because it will solve your RAM cache issue. So most of the time Windows 11 is basically a heavy operating system. So your RAM occupied, and finally you have to compromise over the performance. So this application is fantastic. I am personally using this, so I thought that I should share with you guys. And just you need to download it, and once it is downloaded, then you need to move on to the desktop. And now you need to just paste over here. Just you need to install it, and it is pretty much light application. And just you need to click next, and then it will be installed. After that, you need to open the task manager in order to check out the performance of your system. So let's check out the RAM. And if you click onto the RAM memory, then you can see that we have 3.6 GB of cache. So the responsibility of this tool is to minimize your RAM cache so that your performance can be enhanced. So once it is done, then hit next and then finish. So let me put over here, and you need to just open the RAMMap over here. So finally, you have the RAMMap application. Now it is basically loading your files. So it will take a little time. So current cache is 3.3 GB. And once you go inside the empty and then empty standalone, so you will see that you can see that the cache instantly removed, and definitely you will get instant performance boost in your system. So I hope you like this video and give the thumbs up forward to inform your friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.